especially if you're kind of newer to this type of client, this is a big self-improvement and self-education type of client. So you're talking about people that attend like seminars, right, and read books. And again, these are people that are striving, they're trying to do something, generally speaking, right? So this is kind of the not to say the Bible, but this is one of the main books that this type of client will have always read and absorbed. It's Rich Dad Poor Dad, where he talks about how kind of real estate can generate tax-free cash flow, can offer you all these kind of tax benefits, and a lot of it is actually tax related. So it's a very interesting book, very very good book actually if you haven't read it, and something if you want to deal with this client group. This is the kind of language and the things that the books that they've read. So then you have a classic like Trump, The Art of the Deal. And I know a lot of people have strong feelings about Trump either way, but really the real estate investing side of it is, somebody that's gotten into real estate investing will almost always have some kind of opinion or knowledge of what Donald Trump's been able to do over the years. You have Gary Keller's book, The Millionaire Real Estate Investor, also very popular. The Rich Dad Poor Dad series, they've actually drawn out for a long, long time into like 50. It's like really an empire of books and content. So a lot of it is specifically focused on real estate tax loopholes. So you definitely want to get familiar with that language. You have books like Cash Flow Forever, long distance real estate investing. So a lot of people these days are earning money in say New York City, right? So they're earning good money, and then they go and invest in say a more developing market, a little lower cost market. So let's say it's Tennessee or North Carolina, an area where they can get a little more bang for their buck. So you have a lot of long distance landlords and people trying to figure out how to make that work. And then the idea of building an empire and that whole idea of striving, that striver type of client. So these are just things that, it's just important to kind of be in that milieu and understand the thought process of this client group.